Is OpinionWorld really a great way to earn big rewards by taking paid service, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different paid service sites, and in this OpinionWorld review I will share my experiences and opinion about this platform so you can find out what it really offers and whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, because OpinionWorld, as the name also suggests, is available in many different countries. You just need to be aware that you need to go and search for it in your country because it has different websites, URLs, depending on the country, and in some countries it also has a different name. For example, the US one just called OpinionWorld.com, but you can see there's also one for Canada, it is .ca, but then you can see it's called something else. For example, in Colombia, OpinionLandia, then you have one in Turkey that has a completely different URL and a different name, but it's the same platform and the same colors, design, everything. Then you have one in Denmark where it's called something else. You have a different URL for UK, this one is for Belgium, then you have one for Malaysia here, but these are just examples. It's available in many different countries. I do also have more information about the exact countries on my website, so if you find out this is for you after having watched this video, you can go and check that out. I will leave a link to that below. But for now, let's then talk about how you can actually earn, how much you can earn, so you can find out whether you should even bother to try to sign up. So the way OpinionWorld works is that it's of course free to sign up for, like any other legit paid service site is, and let me just reveal right away that it is legit. I have been paid by it before. It is not one of the platforms I use the most anymore for the reasons I will explain later, but it is quite simple to use. You just sign up, then you come inside, you can see the paid service, and then when you've earned enough, we'll talk about the payout threshold in just a bit, then you can withdraw. And the reason I'm not showing you inside that is there's basically nothing to really show, and it looks a little bit different depending on the country. You can see it has many different platforms, so it'll just confuse you if I showed you more in there. So it's just very easy. No matter the country you live in, it might look a little bit different depending on the platform you're using, but overall this is how it works. You just sign up for free there. It takes a few minutes to sign up. You need to confirm your email. Then you will see on the dashboard, you will see the available surveys. There are not always surveys available. It's not one of the paid service sites with the most paid service, but there are a decent number in my personal experience. Just be aware that how it is with all paid service, more or less, then you will not qualify for all the surveys you are invited to. So sometimes it can take some patience to find the ones you qualify for. That's just how it is. But I do have an article on my website actually about how to qualify for more surveys in general. So if you're interested in that, I'll also leave a link to that below. Then you can check that out. And then once you've earned enough, you can redeem. So let's now talk about how you can actually redeem and which payout options it offers. So OpinionWorld in general offers quite good payout options in my opinion, but the exact rewards it offers depends on the country you live in. For example, if we look in the US, then you have PayPal. They have PayPal in most countries. That's one of the payout options that they actually have in common in most countries. And then you also can choose between different gift cards. The exact gift cards will be aimed towards your country. And if you just see some examples, for example, here in Canada, these are the rewards that you can choose from here. They also have Visa here. And then you can see, for example, in Colombia, there's PayPal and then a couple of other gift cards there. If you look in Turkey, these are the options. So in some countries, it doesn't offer PayPal, but it does in many. If you, for example, look in the UK, it has a lot of different gift cards available, also PayPal. So the exact rewards will really vary. So you need to just make sure, if you decide to do this, go and check the exact rewards it offers in your country, so you find out that if it actually has some rewards that you like getting paid in. Before joining, you can go to the website and just go to rewards. I do like that they actually show the exact rewards before you even join, so you can get a good overview of that. The exact payout threshold, however, you also just need to be aware of that. That will also vary depending on the reward and depending on your country, but overall in many countries you can get paid already when you've earned $5, so it's not too high a payout threshold. But there is also a way to actually potentially boost your earnings a little bit so you can reach the payout threshold faster. So let's talk about that also. So in some countries, OpinionWorld also offers what they call badges. You can see this inside the platform that there are different levels. There's bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, and then the highest level, diamond there. So these 5 levels here. And then there's like different milestones. You can see, just getting started, then you're a bronze member, and then you need to, for example, complete a certain number of activities, profile, all this, and then you will move up. And for each level, in some countries also there are small extra rewards. There's nothing really extra you can do other than make sure you actually complete your profile and then just be active. Then when you've done that, or just being active, you will just move up the rank there, and sometimes then gain small rewards for that. Again, there can be some differences depending on the country you live in, but it can be something to just keep an eye on, so you can also see if it is available in your country. Then a little extra bonus once in a while is of course also nice. Overall, I think OpinionWorld can be a decent paid service site. It is definitely legit. I have been paid by it myself. I just also want to make it clear that the support, however, in my experience can vary from country to country. I've been in contact with them in actually different countries to ask them questions, and in some countries, very helpful, very good support. Other times, not good support at all. That's just my personal experience, but just wanted to share that also so you know what to expect, and that can really vary depending on the country you live in. I would say it is user-friendly, it pays decent, it has good payout options in most countries, so it can be an okay paid service site to join, but I wouldn't recommend it to use it as the only paid service site because it does give limited options. But if you want to join it, I have more information about OpinionWorld on my website. I will leave a link to a full written review there, where you can also find more information about the different countries and how to find the platform in your country. But I also do have a list of the top paid service sites in different countries. I'll leave a link to a list of that so you can choose your country and see the ones where you can earn the absolute most, in my experience. So if you just want to go for the most effective methods, you can check that out instead. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.